Here we have the sound of spring. The frogs here are deafening. You might be able to hear some birds in the background. Their loud pitch is so high that it's actually hurting my ears. March 15th, 2012. 70-something degrees today. Hopefully it's not the end of spring and a big blizzard on the way. But we'll see.